Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hi, guys. This is Rara Coco. You are watching Finance News. All right. These are the stocks that has a potential for a massive explosion, for a massive kaboom, kaboom, shakalaka, kaboom. Volume scanner is buzzing. um, Lots of traffic, lots of noise around the social media. Okay, guys, this is not a guarantee that they're going to explode. It's because I'm not a financial advisor. I don't claim to be. I don't claim to be good at what I'm doing. All I'm seeing is there is a big potential for a massive move because it's pre-market and something is going on the stock. Okay, there's some busy things that is happening on this stock. So the first thing that we want to talk about is ATCH. Okay, ATCH right now is making some move, but it's going up and down. ATCH is going up and down. It is up. It is up 44%. Okay, 44%. What is the news with regards to ATCH? Let's go ahead and take a look at ATCH. Okay, 3 weeks ago, departure of directors, a certain office election. So this stock, ATCH, is what I call a delisting play. A delisting play like this one has a potential for a massive reversal that can occur pretty soon. So this is a good stock for a swing trade. Okay, this is a good stock for a swing trade. The other one is MSGM. MSGM is another good stock. It's $1.48. It is 33% right now. Volume scanner is buzzing on this one. Okay. Volume scanner is buzzing. Lots of noise, MSGM. Lots of noise on MSGM. A big potential for this specific stock, massive kaboom that can happen. So 14 hours ago, there is a news that happened on this specific stock. So Lehman's Ultimate releases innovative co-op game mode, save and load system, and 2024 Pack 2 DLC. Miami September 24 Motorsport Games, okay, has released the September update for Le Mans Ultimate, the official game of the FIA World Endurance Championship, and the 24 Hours of Le Mans. This latest update available now includes a new co-op game mode, a completed hypercar grid, and the release of iconic new content for fans of sports car and sim racing. So this is another good bullish news for MSGM. Okay. LYM, ELYM. Okay. ELYM is another stock that you probably want to pay attention. ELYM. ELYM is up 28%. Volume scanner is buzzing. Lots of action is happening on this one. Take a look at this specific stock. See if you want to invest on this specific stock because it's been busy. Okay, it's been busy lately. So the other one is VSME. VSME is also up 21%. Okay. Volume scanner is busy on this one. Lots of demand is happening on VSME. Lots of demand is happening on VSME. All right. Take a look at this specific stock. See if you want to invest on this specific stock. Okay, VSME. The other one is STSS. STSS has a 3.5 million, I think. STSS. STSS is been busy too. STSS been busy. Okay. take a look at STSS. There is um what is the news on STSS? STSS. Let's take a look. STSS Sharps Technology 3.5 million bridge financing. So there's some actions on that one. Take a look at it, see if you want to invest on that specific stock. Okay. What's the other one that I can see that has a possibility? Looking. This one is also another possibility. TTOO. TTOO. This is a multi-kaboom stock that's been happening on my private Discord before. So maybe it's back. Maybe something is about to happen on this one, but it's looking good. One day ago, T2 Biosystem highlights new article published in the Lancet, changing the culture of blood culture. Okay, so that is another one. And then T2 Biosystem achieved successful defense of patent for direct from whole blood pathogen detection method in European Union. So that's another big news. The other one that's moving fast right now, and that I think it's a pump and dump. Okay, pump and dump is Octo. Octo is a possibility of a pump and dump. It's moving fast right now, pre-market. And let's see if there's even a news on Octo. OCTO. It is a multi-kaboom stock though that explodes. Okay, 2 minutes ago, uh, Octo announces 100 million revenue forecast. That's pretty big. That's a very big news. Octo has a very big news. 100 million revenue forecast. That is too big of a news. So here it is, guys. Let me show you. Just wanted to let you guys know that Octo made some big announcement. That's pretty big news. 100 million forecast revenue. That is pretty big news. Here, guys, let me show you that that's really big news. Okay, here it is. Octo announces 100 million revenue forecast. So let's see if this is a pump and dump or it's going to be a big kaboom, because that's very big news. Eastern PA, September 25, Aitco Holdings, the company, is pleased to provide an update to its shareholders regarding its achievement year-to-date and 2025 initiative. The company has made significant progress in 2024 by improving its balance sheet, most notably through the elimination of 5.4 million in convertible notes and increasing shareholders' equity by 23 million. An aggregate of 5 million dilutive shares related to warrants and convertible securities were canceled. Oh man, that's a big news. They canceled 5 million dilutive shares were canceled in connection therewith, as well as several one-time account events. Operationally, during the 6 months ended July 30, 2024, gross profit margin was increased to 22%. SGA was reduced to 6.9 down to 23%. So they are projecting 100 million revenue forecast. So that is very, very big news. Very, 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 very big news. That is so bullish, 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 bullish. So take a look at it, guys. See if you want to invest in this specific stock. My name is Rara Coco. You're watching Finance News. Thank you very much for watching. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, world. May you have love, peace, prosperity, and good health be with you all.